My name is Darius Mayo. I'll be discussing the positive influence that dogs have on people. I chose this topic because I believe that dogs are not appreciated enough and that the benefits they provide for humans are commonly overlooked. Anyone listening to this presentation is not a huge fan of dogs. I'm hoping by the end of the presentation your mind will be changed. Have you ever wondered what positive influence dogs have not only on their owners but all humans they interact with? Dogs provide so many positive interactions and skills to all humans, which is why they're so great. Everyone is able to benefit from dogs no matter what. The three main beneficial points that dogs offer to humans include companionship, responsibility, and overall health. Although these points may be achieved or they may be ways to improve them without dogs, studies show that most people who have dogs learn faster and are happier. The first topic under companionship is less isolation. Dogs are able to keep humans happy and less isolated by providing companies. For example, a dog laying down watching TV with you can make you less lonely. Tying to how dogs provide company and less self-isolation, a study conducted by Healthline to find out if dogs' companionship really works found that dogs can help decrease anxiety and loneliness by 60%. The second component of companionship that dogs provide is loyalty. Dogs are and will always be there even when people are not. Dogs also can be very protective of their owner or owners and always protect them. Dogs know who they belong to and will put them first even before themselves. Relating to the topic of companionship, from a dog walking site, Pet Baker conducted a survey and found that 95% of dog owners consider their pet to be a member of the family. The third and final point about how dogs provide companionship is through their comfort. Dogs can sense when you're sad or having a bad day, providing comfort as an instant. Dogs will try to make you feel better by doing something they love, such as snuggling, going on walks, or playing with toys. The second main topic is how dogs teach responsibility. Dogs have basic needs that must be taken care of, such as exercising, being fed, and going to the bathroom. Making sure your dog is taken care of is a big responsibility. It can help you learn how to properly take care of something that is not yourself. Tying back into how big a responsibility owning a dog is, a website for a dog walking training called Pet Baker conducted a survey to see how much exercising dog owners believe that their dog should have. More than 78% of dog owners believe that their dog should have at least 2 walks a day. The second category within responsibility is how dogs teach time management. Like the previous slide, most dogs need at least 2 walks a day, plus being fed, exercise, and playtime, and more. Humans gain the management from these things because their dog also is on a time schedule. The third and final point of two dogs teaching responsibility is if you have kids. If you have kids own a dog. It helps them learn to have patience, interact properly with animals, and learn at an early age how to take care of something that other than themselves. Coinciding with the previous slide about how dogs teach kids responsibility, Pet MD found that according to the American Pet Product Association 2011 to 2012 National Pet Owner Survey, 58% of pet owners say that their pets help their kids to be more responsible. The last main topic is how dogs improve overall health, specifically how they help with exercise. Dogs reoccur excessive playtime and daily walks, which keeps humans active. If you own a dog, you don't really have a choice about to be active for your dog, since they have basic needs just like us. An overall health fact about how dogs help with exercising was found by Pet Insurance Company. Dog ownership was found to decrease risk of death by 33%, decrease the risk of cardiovascular related death by 36%. The second point to the benefits of overall health is that stress relief that dogs provide. Studies show that just by petting a dog relieves stress and lowers blood pressure. Like stated previously about their companionship, dogs really do sense when something is wrong with people and want to help. The final point to how there are benefits to the overall health to people are therapy dogs. Therapy dogs are trained in specific areas to help increase people's moods, decrease anxiety, and help with the recovery time, and even know how to react to certain situations to help their owners. Coinciding with the previous slide, interacting with dogs get an increased dose of oxytocin, aka the love feel good vibe hormone. This is why therapy dogs go to nursing homes, sick hospitals, and terminally ill patients to help make sure they a little easier, maybe forget their pain for a moment. Overall, there are so many ways that dogs can benefit humans, specifically the companionship between humans and dogs, the responsibility of having one, and increasing humans' overall health, positively impact all humans. My personal favorite quote written by Josh Billing is, "A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself." All humans possess selfish tendencies, but dogs do not, which is why their goal in life is to benefit you and not put themselves first.